there's this important thing. That just needs to be shown. Do you see what's selected right here? If you're a Tapl fan, then you might know where this is going. What's going on, everybody? Asterisk Clone here. Today, we're going to be using an incredibly loud resource pack. You guys at home, it's not gonna be that bad, but for me, it was that bad. Okay. Oh my god. There we go. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, God. Shut the fuck up, sheep. Oh, my. Oh, my God, no. I gotta get away. Oh, Jesus. Yes, I can hear you, sheep. Holy fuck, what the hell? Okay, don't die. Ah, that hurts my ears. Jesus Christ, don't go near animals. Don't go near animals. Or mobs in general. Ah, don't mind anything either. Ow! I mean, walking's fine. Ow! Destroying plants! Oh! Ow, my head. Jesus fucking Christ. Shut the fuck up, sheep. Jesus Christ. Also, why is there so many sheep everywhere? I mean, there are a lot of pink sheep. I could probably make a pink bed. Oh my god! Oh. Everything just hurts your ears so bad. I'm killing the sheep so I... Shut the fuck up! Okay. Okay. Did that chicken just become a fucking demon or something? Jesus Christ. Ah, don't eat! Okay, I think water is not as bad as walking on land. Wait a minute. Oh, yes. Ow! Okay, never mind. Do not destroy lily pads. Do not destroy lily pads. The sound of those sheeps so much. Okay, thank God it doesn't make like a super loud sound when I think you should just be like on the edge of blocks. Ow, my. Shut the. Don't kill the chick. Okay, pigs are not that bad. Oh! 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 Turning down the volume doesn't change anything. Christ. Shut. Jesus Christ. Ow! At least achievements don't make a sound. Don't go anywhere near the sheep. Don't eat! Ow! Oh, forgive me, bunnies, for what I'm about to do. Okay, thank God. When you're mining your bed and it sounds like you're having oh my god! Jesus! Oh my god! Don't shoot an arrow! Don't shoot an arrow! Pumpkins. Pumpkins. Pumpkins have to be safe, right? Surely a pumpkin cannot be... Fuck! You know, after a while you get used to the running, but the eating, the mining the blocks, no! It sounds like somebody's taking a piss. If you see a bunch of earrape in my video, then I guess that is not funny. Shut the fuck up, demon chicken. Don't do it. Don't do it again. I can already tell this is gonna be a nightmare. Or maybe not. Okay. You know, when you ear rape everything in Minecraft, it just makes it unpeaceful, but when everything's not ear raped, it's actually a calm game. Ow! Ow! Okay, everything is extremely loud for me, probably not for you. But everything is just so amplified for me, it hurts my ears every time I fucking walk or I mine a tree. Oh my god. Why do I do this in the recording? Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Holy fuck! Oh my god! What the actual fuck? Let's go down there. Ow! Fuck! Ow! 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 Okay, gamers, we got iron. I think we're almost ready to go. All we need to do is get some diamonds. Fuck. Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! No! No! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh! Ow! Ow! No! Oh shit! Oh shit! Foco Gaming, help me, please! Alright. There's my head. There's my chest plate. There we go. Perfect. Oh, fuck, it's water. Shut up! Shut up, shut up, shut up. Okay. Ah! Ah! Oh! Fuck! Fuck, 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 fuck. What? Oh! 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 Oh, fuck. Okay. I don't want... Oh god. Shit! And I also don't want to be listening to water sounds, ear raped, to the point where it's the most annoying, most obnoxious thing in the world, and it hurts your eardrums like crazy. I am no longer going near any water in ear rape Minecraft again. Christ. I mean, I've seen ear rape videos, but they're not like this. Shit! I quit. I quit. Alright, here's the point that I go and end the outro. You guys wanted me to make it shorter, so yeah, I'm doing that. Okay, bye.